Okay, next topic is basis of accounting. This basis of accounting of three types: cash basis, actuarial basis, and the hybrid basis. Cash basis means all the cash received income for you, for your business. Cash payment, what are the cash you are paying or expenses you are doing. If I am purchasing anything, means transport charge or a lorry charge, or from airport to I'm bringing that product to my company, that charges expenses. If I am purchasing any machine, means I have to give money, no, that expenses everything I'm paying. If I pay in cash, means I'll write. If I received, if I sell any product or machine I sold, means for that they will give a money. So that everything will, that is a income, this is a expense, that everything I'll return. If I purchase any assets, if I pay the cash, I'll be telling no, after 2 months 4 months I'll pay, not like that. If I pay at the spot, means that I have to enter. Any liability, loan I paid, means that it may be past or present. Last year loan I am paying, now this year loan I am paying, means that everything will be taken into account. Next is actuarial or mercantile. The expenses or income, everything. Here if you pay only, you will be right. Here if it's occurred, you will be right. You pay or not pay, that is not a matter. If it's happened, means you will write. Same way, the asset you purchase it, you will say that you pay at the spot, means you will write here. But here if you pay at a spot or after 2 months you will pay or not, but you have to enter here. So this will be maintained by all the companies according to the 128(3) section 3 Companies Act of 2003. All the companies has to maintain this actuarial accounting. Next is a hybrid and mixed basis. So here both the cash and actuarial, both above what and all happen, no? That is hybrid, means mixed. Both will be entered. So cash revenue of incomes, actuarial expenses, everything, income paid or not paid, everything will be returned in here. So next is uses of accounting information. So far we studied how to maintain the account, everything, what and all have to maintain in the accounts. But after maintaining all the records, who will be the users? And the record which what will do? Using that record or account, what will be doing? We'll be thinking, no? So we'll see who are the users. First, there are three users. Owners. Owners means who is the investor? That means he is the owner of that company, that business owner. Next, management. In that company, management working will be the office people, no, there, and the employees, workers will be there. These three are the main people internally inside the company needed. First, this owner, because he only put the money to start the business, he should know what is the profit, what is the loss of a business, what is the current position of the business, shall I start a new business or not, future I can start a new branch or not, whatever the amount I put, it will come back in a return. At least what the 1 lakh I put, at least 1 lakh will come or not, expected return will come or not, the owner, it has to think. Next, management means the expenses for sale. If I am doing selling any soap, means advertisement I am doing na, for that advertisement how much I am spending. Then for the employee means each employee working in each department are working good or not, efficient or technologically. If it's efficiency, means they will have an income, then you will have a more profit. So to know that one, then I can compare with the departments, which department is working properly, which department is not working, so that I can give what under the measurement I have, which very weak department, means I have to make any arrangement or I have to replace the employees, that I have to do. Next, solvency means next year what are the planning I can do. If I do any planning or I want to open new branch, means it will run or not, so that everything should known by the management, that I can see. Next is the employees. Employees means workers who is working in that company. They should know the company is going profit or not. If they know it's having more profit, means remuneration means salary. Yeah, more profit means they have to give more salary. The company is getting more profit, there is no increment in the salary, means what is the use? So this employees has to know what is the salary remuneration to have that plan. If a profit is more, means salary also should be there. So my company is growing or not, growth is there or not. So all this the employees should know. And next is external user. External user means creditors. Creditors means whoever gives a loan to you or any kadan, they will financial assistant, they will in Tamil they will kadan kodupanga. So that they should know. That means if the raw material, if I am producing cloth, means raw material, if they without taking money, after 5 months or 6 months you pay, they will give the raw material. So that supplier should know after 6 months I'll get or not money, the money will come back or not. That supplier should know. Next is a banker. If they want to give the loan, means this company will repay the loan or not. That I should know. This banker should know, to know that when account is needed. Public deposit means any people want to invest in your company. Shareholder in your company means they will think that so if I put the money in this bank or in this company, means I'll be my money will be safe or not, they will be knowing, no, that they have to think that one. Next is a investor. Investor means who will put the money to that is partners of a business. So they will be knowing that what is the earning, what is a profit or a loss, so that they can continue a partnership with this company or not. I can give more money to this company as a partner. So whatever the money already they put in this, invested in this company, means that will come in return properly. Anything will affect that original money, they to know all this account is needed. Next, customer. Those are buying your product. You think that a shampoo detail of that product, how much, what are the chemical they are mixing, and they should know what is the price. This product is good, means continuously supply will be there or not. So to if the company is going profit only, the supply will be regular, manufacturing. So all this account is needed. Next, tax authority, to put the imposed tax, income tax on your company. If you are earning more profit, means more tax, less profit means less tax. Statutory means anything that means lawfully you are maintaining all your records. Anything happens, means evidence put to the court or any tax authority, you can give that. Next is government, means any policy making, resources allotting. India is a famous or rich in iron resources. Apart from that, any policy, next year we can give a 5-year plan for the industry, means the allocation of resources for the companies. To allocate that resources, the government has to know the account of each companies. Next, each product price, it is there, no? If you are spending less money but you are fixing more, for example biscuit packet, to manufacture that biscuit totally is a 10 rupees only happening, expenses going, but you are selling for a 50 rupees, means that is what that is not ethical, unethical, that is society. So what the government will see, your product is according to the rate, according to the expenses, your price is fixing or not. If not, means they will give the guidelines. Next is the researches in your own company. That means Pepsi is there, the flavors, Pepsi company is there, no, your drinks, cool drinks, their flavor will be there, 7up or other in same company, other brand it is there, no? For example soap, you can think one Dettol soap is there, in that what many things is there, lemon flavor or aloe vera flavor or a neem flavor. So to have this many brands in same company, in each company there will be researchers will be there. If your company going profit only, you will be having more money, so that you can make the research to know this researchers, they should analyze our company's accounts is good or not, profit or not, so that they will need it. Next is general public. The public should know, oh, this company is going very well, so that they can give the employment opportunity to all the people. So the society also should know this one. Next is the role of an accountant. What this accountant will do? Accountant means those who maintain and write all the cash transaction, non-cash transaction of all your account detail in your company. So that person is called as accountant. What he will do? He will record all the records of your cash. That he will record everything in step by step, so that no wrong will be there, no mistake will be there. Step by step he will write an accurate status of your business will be knowing. So next is the information. What this accountant will do? He will give the information to the management about a decision making. See, here your company is going profit, you can open the new branches, or your company is going loss, so you have to less your expenses, like that. And he will give the information to the management. Next is a protecting of a business assets. For example, I am buying machine, means after 2 months, after 5 months, means I have to pay the insurance. That information will be known only by the accountant, because he only give the money to buy the he only maintain the selling or purchasing of all the assets. So he will be knowing after which month the insurance has to pay. So expiry of your assets, expiry to protect from your destroying or depreciation, the insurance has to pay. That information is given by accountant. That's why he will protect the business of assets. Next is the advisor. Advisor in the sense, he will give the investment, anything investment opportunity in other companies. You can be a shareholder, he will give the advice. Then he will give the savings. So much expense keep on going in our business, so you have to save the money. That because he will maintain the account, he will be knowing what is the position better than the owner. So he will give the information to the owner to save the money for a future. Then also he will give the information. If a company is going profit, means he will give owner, that he will give advice to the owner that we can start branches in many countries or many other places. That information and advice will be given by this accountant. Next, tax management means he will record all the record. Then he will be knowing how much tax has to pay to the government. If you not pay the tax on time, means the government authority will ask you. So that everything will be seen and maintained by this accountant. Next is a public relation officer. This public relation officer means this same thing, this tax management, any exemption, any free is given by the government, means that everything is known by the accountant. So that time also we can information also given by this accountant only to the management. Next is a public relation officer, means if anybody is wanted about your company, about the status or profit or loss of your company, means that information only given by this accountant only. If a bank is asking account detail to sanction the loan, means this accountant has to only give the account to the bank. Next, any tax department is coming, income tax department is coming and inquiring, means the accountant has to give the information to that department. If the creditors or financial assistant want to give the finance to you, means you also ask the information from this. So he will be, the accountant will be the public relation officer on behalf of a company. He will be acting. So these are all about the lesson 1.